So, hello everyone. I congratulate all of you for completing the Jolly English Teacher Training Program. And I would like to know your feedbacks and your reviews, which can be shared with Jolly Learning. So, I'll begin with Purva.
So firstly, I would like to tell about Ritu ma'am. She's one of a kind. She's a gem. And I've already taken Jolly Phonics lesson under her. Now today, this time I took Jolly English. And this was a lovely program. I mean, more than learning, I enjoyed the program. It was like I felt like I myself as a kid. And I'm going to begin this program soon. And I'll again make you proud, like I made you proud for the phonics program as well. Thank you so much, Ritu ma'am.
Wish you all the best. You rock as always. Hello, Dipanti. Please share your feedback.
It was such a great experience. Coming back for Jolly English has been par excellence, because I believe foundation is the most important stone that you need, in any whether it's a building or a child, anything, foundation is the most important. And I'm so glad to do this course, because genuinely this is where, the genius of a child is born, integrating math, science, English, teaching them English, comprehension, everything together in such wonderful ways. And the way you taught it also, ma'am, made it so easy for us to understand, telling us how many extension activities we can do with the child, ways that we can stimulate that brain. It's been so wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dipanti. This is such a brilliant review. I'm sure Jolly Learning would love to hear more about how it is helping each and every teacher. And I'm sure you will do wonders the way you're already doing it. I wish you all the best with Jolly English as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Sugandha. Please share your feedback and reviews.
What else can I add after what Apurva and Dipanti has already shared about Ritu ma'am? She has been a wonderful, wonderful trainer, and all the things that she taught us at Jolly Phonics those still are always ringing in my head when I am taking up the children in my school. And now with Jolly English, I am more than excited to start the program because it is such a nice comprehensive program, because here at our school in the early years we take up language and literacy as a different subject, numeracy as a different subject, then general awareness as a different subject, and then we are always trying to integrate everything it in, and sometimes it becomes too stimulating for a 2-year-old. But here I very smoothly it has transition between different subjects. And I think it's a beautiful program, and we can't wait to start it with our children. And all thanks to Ritu ma'am. She's always made everything look so easy and smooth. And thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sugandha. I completely agree with you. This program is such a comprehensive program where we have all the different elements of literacy into one single theme, and then we take it on for the children as young as 1.8 years old, and we can club it ahead with other grades as well in kindergarten. And I'm sure you are a rock star. You are such a passionate leader. Your school is going to go, sky is the limit for you. I have seen how you are evolving. You're already doing good, and you are going to do great in your city and far beyond. I wish you all the best with learning.
All wishes for you, ma'am. Otherwise, a lot of time and is invested in making the plans, because every year we keep on learning something or the other, something new, and then a lot of time is spent into what story, what rhyme, what general awareness topic, how to integrate it into numeracy, how to integrate it into language. But here it has become so easy, and of course the best of the minds have created it, and the best of the trainers have trained us on it, so it has become really easy for us now. Thank you.
So happy. I'm so happy, Sugandha. I completely agree. It's a wonderful program. Also have made it for us. And I'm sure we are going to do wonders with young children. At such a young age, our children will be able to speak in the language before they can read and write. Hello, Shruti. Please share your feedback and reviews. We would love to hear you.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, everyone.
So yes, I can't believe that, Jolly English just went by in a jiffy than Jolly Phonics. I think we had 2-3 extra days in Jolly Phonics. So, but yes, yet again, I got to meet a bunch of, wonderful people here, and Ritu ma'am especially. I mean, I'm just amazed at how do you even remember that, somebody took a course 4 years back from you. You remember the kid's age at that time, and now you're asking on their progress. So, this delicate things that we're dealing with, Jolly English, Jolly Phonics for little kids, is not just about the subject, but we need to add a lot of warmth to it. And that's exactly what you're spreading to us, which I can, transfer it to the kids. So it just, subject with warmth is the combination that I felt here. And another live example that I can give you is just while doing Jolly English, I already started it, implementing it to the kid that has joined my daycare center at home. I've just opened up one. And I was amazed at seeing that, what the song could do. She was actually reacting. She was blabbering something throughout the day, a kid who doesn't speak. So it felt like it ignited. So yesterday night also, I slept with a lot of questions. Have I come into the right path? I've left the software job. I don't know. I mean, I came out of passion, but am I at the right place? Am I good enough to handle, such delicate kids? But with all the tips that you've given it, I just tried it. I just threw it at her. And when I saw her responding, that gave me a sense of achievement today. And looking forward, to continue in this journey. That's all thanks to you, and all thanks to this amazing platform.
Oh, I'm in awe with you, Shruti. The day you had come for Jolly Phonics, you already had a spark in you. And now you've come up with Jolly English. It's a great combination, and I'm so glad that you started implementing. And a 1.5-year-old child is already starting responding. We can just imagine where the child is going to reach in a couple of months. I appreciate and I salute your passion. You are a very passionate mother. You are a passionate teacher, and you will surely do wonders, and you will surely pass on the same love to all the kids, those who come to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Fingers crossed. I just hope, I can achieve the goal that I came in with, because I wanted math and English to be fun learning. That's why I've learned Abacus also. So, Abacus and Phonics is two things. I want logic-based and not rod-based learning, and I'm done with the rod-based learning. So, amazing platform, what you've provided us with. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Stay in touch.
Thank you so much for joining, Shruti. I wish you all the best with Jolly Phonics and Jolly English as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, Gagandeep. Please share your feedback and reviews.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Firstly, really thanks to you. And it's a wonderful course. Thank you to the Jolly team as well for, making such a comprehensive course for us. And thanks to you for giving us this opportunity and always being available. Like, even after the program gets over, you always respond to our messages. You're always there, and the group is always there for each other. So I think that community that you're building is wonderful.
I completely agree, and I can resonate with what you said. When we teach children, we forget everything that's happening. You are just there and for them, and you have all that aura around you, and you just love being with them. All those children who come with question marks, they start smiling, they start looking at you, they start enjoying what you're doing, and this is the entire purpose. The learning has to be so joyful, so effortless. It should look like it's almost a piece of cake that they've come here to enjoy, have fun, and learn at the end. It's such a pleasure to have you, Gagandeep. I wish you all the best with Jolly Phonics and Jolly English as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, Jayalakshmi. Please share your feedback.
I'm really enjoying not only Jolly English, Jolly Phonics, everything. I'm really enjoying like a kid. And initially, I came into this only the motto of teaching my own kid. But after seeing your energy, your passionate towards teaching, the energy totally transferred to me. And now, after Jolly Phonics itself, I got the idea of extending this to other children as well. I was really hesitant to teach other children, but no, because I don't have any experience. Everyone, they're all experienced, right? I don't have any experience. But after all these classes, I'm much more confident.
I'm so happy, Jayalakshmi. You have all the spark that it takes to teach. And I'm sure you will do wonders when you'll open your school. So even if you're not experienced, but now you have the skills, you just start and you see how it is going to work for your child, and you're going to spread that magical knowledge to so many kids. So many kids are going to get benefited because of you. Hello, Jyotika. Please share your feedback.
Hello everyone, hello ma'am. As this is the second class with you, in the beginning I want to say, your cheerful smile made everyone stay. Your positive vibes and energy make us motivate and learn and want to learn each and everything. It's not a boring class, it's become more funnier and lovelier class with you. And special thanks to the Jolly English. They taught us how beautifully we can connect with the small kids. At some point we are stuck how we will manage and handle that situation, but you taught us very funny way to how to handle that situation. Thank you for a lovely mentor, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Jyotika. Jolly English is a wonderful program.
You are always there. You reply to our message. That's special thanks to you.
I'm always there, and I love to be connected. I love to be there. I love to celebrate your success. So when someone says, ma'am, I'm doing this, ma'am, I'm doing that, I'm like, oh, give them more power. I really want to see how fast and how successful it can be. So, and I'm sure the entire team at Jolly Learning would love to hear all the feedbacks and reviews, and they'll see how it is spreading fast in India. Thank you so much.